Change the black, burn the blue, and bury the days. From now on, girls. Pink, 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 pink when you shop for some clothes. Pink, 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 pink you want that quelque chose. Red is dead, blue is through, green up scenes, blonde taboo, and there is no size for cute, blue in a puss. Or chartreuse. Pink, pink, forget that you're said like a rust. Pink, pink, who cares? This new look has no best. Now I wouldn't listen to a woman, what it was supposed to think. That's where I should go out and think. That's pink for shoes. That's better than yours. It's my lady struggling. So all the family, try pink shampoo, pink toothpaste too. Pink, pink, oh pink, 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 pink. I'm pink, oh I'm pink, I'm pink. Just remember one thing. You get a little pink and you got a little pink in your frame.
Pink, 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 pink is the latest what you know. Pink, 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 and you might get learned to know. So as you guys switch, switch to switch.
Pink, pink, pink on the long, long road ahead.
On the road.
Pink, 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 and the word is rosy red.
Everything rosy.
Everything on the bright horizon. Everything that's in pink. And that includes the kitchen sink. Pink, pink.